What am I eating for my birthday breakfast? My girls are at college, so I made myself breakfast. These are eggs, Gordon Ramsay style. Never done it before, so I want to try. I think that's how I'm gonna make them from now on. Got eggs, that's the most important. I got eggs and I made them special way. There's like nothing different, it's just a technique, but it makes a whole difference. That's crazy. And my second, this is favorite food. I don't eat bagels for like 8 months, and I haven't had white bread for 8 months. And while I was on chemo, I couldn't eat raw fish, so this is the first time I'm eating raw fish. This is my favorite. This is sourdough bread because I don't have like sugars and stuff, with capers and smoked salmon. I haven't had a white bread in 8 months. I need to pause here. And this is black tea with milk. That's how I drink it in Kazakhstan. Okay, I need to pause. This is